crazy like a man, feeding like a hype for the man phone style. Slow smoke from the pipe, clears the mind of the one and only man phone prowler. Wow, move hunting, full moon howler, slow walking straight, talking mind state hazy. Best to leave my path when I start to get crazy. Flexing, sweating, where I go frown, waiting for the day when the shit goes down. You see, I'm not a gangster, but still I pack a gun, considered law breaking minutes. Delinquent number one, I'm fierce like a tiger, I creep like a spider. The low down, hard down, dirty street fighter. I said to break 'em up hard and break 'em up good. The street fighter, taking over your hood. I said to break 'em up hard and break 'em up good. The street fighter, taking over your hood. Now I talk mutual shit, never said I was a gangster. Got the loaded clip cause I'm a little bit of prankster. But don't make me reach on down through the waistline. I just got my back and I've been scoping up the blind side. Stop that shit, I see you looking all around. For me I keep stepping, holding up a steady frown. See I'm the type of fool that'll take your ass to school. I won't be losing at this game cause I'll be setting all the rules. The rules set in place again, breaking up your lower back. Holding up my ground, ain't cutting up a bit of slack. Cause I won't be the one that's running, dodging, hiding fear when the shit starts rising. Folks try to step, but you know they won't manage. They lasting as long as a sloppy soup sandwich. On the hardcore, stepping smooth as Strider. Looked out, waxed out, dirty street fighter. I said to break 'em up hard and break 'em up good. The street fighter, taking over your hood. I said to break 'em up hard and break 'em up good. The street fighter, taking over your hood. Once again, tell her gets outside, goes to work. I'm dropping dogs in the bro, pump, those getting hurt, rock, throw and kick gas. I know that's how they'll tell it. I'm quite funkadelic, homeboy, can't you smell it? Cause I'm flowing like the wind, and one with my body. The dirty ass trash blowing